Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Huawei Nova 7i. And guys, I am really excited to see how is the Huawei Nova 7i stack up against the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. And the Huawei Nova 7i comes with the Huawei Kirin A10 chipset, which is based on 7nm architecture, and also we get a 8GB of RAM on the Huawei Nova 7i, while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite comes with a Snapdragon 730G chipset with 8GB of RAM, and both phones give you a quad cameras on the back, as guys you can see. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo came up first, about the same on both phones, and both phones is running on Android 10. We have a MIUI 11 on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Emotion UI version 10 on the Huawei Nova 7i. And in case of Huawei Nova 7i, it is one of the fastest phone when it comes to booting up in this price range, and it is also beat the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. And guess you can see that both phones give you a big display. We have a full HD IPS LCD display with a punch hole camera on the left hand side, and you can see while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite comes with a full HD AMOLED screen with a dewdrop notch. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. We have phone dialer that is huge faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, followed by the Mi Note 10 Lite settings, and again super quick on the Huawei Nova 7i. Have Amazon shopping on both phones, and you can see that the Huawei Nova 7i it is, and the Xiaomi it is faster there. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones. Candy Crush Saga, we have a Huawei Kirin A10 versus the Snapdragon 730G, and you can see Huawei Nova 7i it is faster there, followed by the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. This Subway Surfer, and you can see that Huawei Nova 7i it is way faster than the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. I would say it is not a huge difference, but still Nova 7i it is a beast phone in this price range. The Twitter, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Zedge, and you can see that the Huawei Nova 7i it is faster there. The Spotify, and faster on the Nova 7i again. Calendar, that is huge faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. We have a main 48 megapixel main sensor on the Huawei Nova 7i compared to a 64 megapixel main sensor on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. And guys, I already done the camera test of the Huawei Nova 7i on my channel. If you are interested, watch that. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am seeing default Huawei internet browser on the Huawei Nova 7i versus a Google Chrome on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Wikipedia.org, and that's a slightly faster on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Let's see the scrolling, feels absolutely smooth on both phones, and same thing with zooming in and out. Next on the list is the WWE.com, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see that the Huawei Nova 7i it is feels like faster, and you can see that the Huawei Nova 7i it is faster there, but at the end and the content it is also show first on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see that feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones give you a 8GB of RAM. Let's see phone dialer, no refresh. Settings, Amazon shopping, let's see Candy Crush Saga, Subway Surfer, you can see, and the speaker quality it is also I feel little bit better on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Let's see the Twitter, Zedge, let's see Spotify, that is refresh on the Mi Note 10 Lite. Let's see the calendar, that is not refresh. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed it is definitely much faster on the Huawei Nova 7i in system-based application as well as in game app loading time. But the RAM measurement it is absolutely incredible on both phones. I don't open a lot of apps that I open in my last speed test, that is with the Samsung Galaxy A71. So I hope the RAM measurement will improve more in the future with some software updates between the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Huawei Nova 7i. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.